So we're taking apart the case. We got the program and stuff. We know somewhat what we're doing now. As you can see, we burned a couple little dragons in there on some wood. So we're removing this. We're going to build the platform up. And then we're going to have to build the cage up. But that way we can do tumblers and business cards or whatever else, both with this same setup. And it'll be easy swap out the way that we're planning on doing it. So y'all stick around and we'll fill you in as we go. Alright, so we started making the base and we've got the pattern drawn out on this on the other side of it actually. For the way that we're going to do it, we took everything out. So next step, it's going to be cutting that, putting it together, getting this up on it, getting everything secure, and going from there. So we'll show y'all step by step as we go. I show this stuff to give you ideas if you're doing something like this or a project at home. You know, you may see something that we do that may help you. So make sure it stays pretty level, flat.
Silicone.
I don't think that's going to keep it level and flat. Definitely good in there.